Hey traders, this is Rick with Hit Run Candlesticks. How you doing? Hey, today's date is Thursday, October 24th, 2024. I've got two charts that I'd like to share with you, and hopefully it will help you when you're looking for charts and to buy and maybe to close a position. Two things I want to mention first is please check below in the comment section. We have a full 30-day membership for only $7 that you might be interested in. Also, I want to shout out to everybody that participates in our social media. In the morning, we do a live, um, our pre-market charts and targets starting at 8:45 Eastern in the morning on YouTube, Facebook, and X, which is the old Twitter. So I want to just shout out to everybody that listens in for that live presentation. Thank you very, very much. I absolutely appreciate it. All right, now let's take a look at a couple of charts. There's going to be two of them. The first one will be HUT. You can see it right now, and then we're going to take a look at Walmart. Okay, so one of the things that I trade with that I really, really like, two things I should say, is these green dots right there, those green dots, and those red dots as well. And that's what we call the trend indicator. And then the black line, that's the T line right there. So what I like to see is how price interacts with those two moving averages. And I like the idea of this trend like we see over here. So here's HUT rallied up and pulled back. It pulled back below the trend indicator and then started to move up. And you can see right here it went up and then came back, and we bought on this day right here, October 16th, 2024. So it rallied up, and we sold it 65% profit here, and now we're waiting for a new entry. Um, a couple of entry examples that I'm going to be looking for is a 3/8 trap, and that's when it pulls back to the 8 or the black line, the T line, 8 exponential moving average. It's trapped between the 3 EMA and the 8. That is an entry point for us. Even lower would be an entry point. We'll use the trend indicator to help with that entry. Another one would be if we just simply, let me draw this one for you. If we just simply move sideways and that creates a box, we're going to call that a pop out of the box. And what we're going to do is either buy inside this box area or buy on the pop out of the box, one of those two places. So we're going to wait patiently for that to happen. And for anybody that's a member or trial member of Hit Run Candlesticks, if you have the app downloaded and it comes with our service, then I will alert you on that as well when we buy it and when we close it. So keep your eyes and ears open, and we'll let you know on that if you have the app. So the other chart I want to look at is Walmart. Now, I'm actually still currently in Walmart, and I'll talk about where I'm going to close it, hopefully, and I'll talk about that in just a moment. I want to kind of repeat what I said earlier about the trend. See the trend? See the green dots? And see the black line, the T line right there, moving up. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm also looking for things like, tight wedges. This happens to be a flag. We would also call this a box setup, for the pop out of the box. And here it popped out. So what we've got is the trend indicator is up. Price started to move around a little bit from this top area. It kind of dropped, and then here it just started getting real tight in this area above the trend indicator. That's key, above the trend indicator. So we bought it. And then from there, it just started moving up, sideways, came on up. So right now, I'm looking to sell this as close to this 84.38 area as possible. And it doesn't have to be right, it doesn't have to be touching it. It'll be up 75 to 80% when this happens, already up over 72%. So when it moves up, that's when I'm going to start taking profits and close that position out. And again, that'll be around that 75, 80%. So I hope that was a little bit helpful. If you have questions, take advantage of that $7 trial. Come into the chat room and ask those questions, and I'll be more than happy to explain our flagship strategies, our setups, what we're looking for, um, you know, moving averages we use, anything that you could think of. I'll certainly be more than happy to answer those questions. All right. So check that description area below. Anyway, thank you very much for listening to this video, watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Okay. You guys all take care. Thanks.